Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your girl, Tiffany Down. She got it going on. Yes, she does. It's your hair bestie. Welcome to another episode of Tiffany's Closet. Today, episode 5, we're doing it different. What you guys will see is never before seen video footage of my first ever video of Tiffany's Closet. Before it was a closet, it was just Tiffany.
Bruh.
But yeah, you're gonna see a lot of raw footage today of all my fumblings, of all the quirky things that happen in the background while trying to make my videos. Like, it's crazy. It takes a long time. What you guys see is the condensed version, but really it takes a long time. And so I do about 5 to 7 intros, a couple takes by Tiffany's actual closet, and the only thing I do not repeat, which I will not repeat, is the actual hairstyle. So it's kind of like you gotta get it right on the first try. That's it. There ain't no do-overs. We ain't doing nothing over. I ain't got time. Not that much time. I know it's COVID, but I don't have it within me, Lord. You know what I'm saying? So outros, even the pictures that I take, the photos, like, they are maybe about 30 that I take, and you guys only see 2 or 3 of them postings. But it does take a lot to construct these videos. One of the first things I want to make very clear, a lot of people have been asking me about my skin, and that which makeup do you use? Okay, the makeup I have is from a year and a half ago.
What?
Okay, this is all I got. This is all I have, honey. I don't even really wear this much makeup. I wore more makeup than I have last year. Okay, I don't even wear that stuff. But it been helping me look flawless, y'all. And the other thing that I use that really helps my skin, the ring light. That's it. I don't use what is it, St. Eve's? I just wash my face and make sure, I do make sure I take that makeup off though, because, ooh, child, the bags, bag a lady, you gon' hurt your bag. Yeah, it's a lot of bags. There's bags and stuff on the hair, child.
Bruh.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, so yeah, I just let it out. Get a ring light, save your life, change your life. I'm pretty sure that's about to be a t-shirt. Anyways, so beep, 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 beep. Ready for the first episode. Never before seen footage. Okay, hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany B. I decided my hair has grown long enough and it's time for me to attempt the ponytail. What you say, pretty girl, come my way. You understand? Righteous. So, I'm gonna get in my ponytail praise. My hair has grown a lot. I've been doing braids for the last 2 months, 2.5, maybe 3 of some sort. God's unchanging, and I'm gonna use some of this. I already put some, like, you know, your regular wax gift
What?
oil in the hair. So I'm gonna speed up this video so you as I'm sitting here wondering what the heck she gonna look like. Shrek. Bye.
Look at this. Would you look at this? Couldn't have that phone stand up to save my life. Jeez. But I got it in a ponytail, y'all. Jeez. Yes.
This is it, bud. This is the new me. Top bun Tiffany. Whoop, whoop. It's just growing, honey. Okay, so that's why I never made it. It was just trash. That first one was trash, but the background was trash, but that style was fash. It was a keeper. I liked it. So going into this next one that you'll see was my first episode, and I didn't have a permanent background like I do right now, and I had to stream it in my bedroom because I was getting like beautiful light. Walk in the light, beautiful light, shine all around us by day and by night. Yeah, it was good. It was good. However, the background wasn't. And what I'm gonna show you are two pictures or pieces of video that show the before with the background and the after without the background, because the little sticky tab wasn't working, and I had like at least 15 to 20 of them stuck on the back of this big portrait, but it didn't work out. Take a look.
Yeah, so I am holding up this hair. Everything's going well. Introducing products, and then thing fell off. Had to stop the tape and everything.
Yeah, so that was pretty embarrassing. And I remember doing footage that I must have done a live stream on my actual IG page, and child, that background fell.
Oh my God.
Your hair bestie's background fell. And the people were like, girl. I remember one of my friends though, he was like, it's okay, girl, you keep going. You looking good. You just keep talking. But that was embarrassing. So I vowed, never again, y'all. That was a little embarrassing. So thank God that I have this beautiful background. Give my background some love. Yes. And so now what you guys will be seeing is just a lot of fumbling. That's what I do best. Hey everyone, welcome to my hair channel. It's your hair bestie, Tiffany. Hey everyone, I just want to welcome you to my hair channel. Thank you for following. It's called The Time. Hey, what up? It's your girl, Tiffany Down. She got it going on. What? Woo! Yeah. Hey, well, why can't I speak? This is annoying. Okay. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Tiffany Down. She got it going on. Sorry.
Bruh.
So yeah, y'all, this is what it is. This is what it takes to make these videos with all the fumblings and everything that does happen. I'm glad that I was able to accomplish making, with today's video, 5 episodes of Tiffany's Closet. It's really up to you guys. You guys gotta let me know. Do you guys want to keep the show or do you want to sweep it? Is it fash or is it trash? Y'all let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos, y'all. Peace from your hair bestie.
Okay, y'all, should we keep it or should we sweep it? Is it fash or is it trash? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. From your hair bestie.